Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to your spelling test for sort 49P. This week we are studying homonyms, words that sound alike but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Pay close attention to the definition you hear and the sentence you hear to make sure you write the correct word. Number 1, seize. As in, to see with your eyes, seize. Whenever Sully sees a bone, he gets very excited. Seize. Number 2, seas. Like in the ocean, Monsieur Dupuis loves to sail the seas in his sailboat. Seas. Number 3, seen. Like to see with your eyes. Have you seen the movie Wonder? Seen. Number 4, scene, like the part of a play. What was your favorite scene in the play Aladdin? Scene. 5, sweet, like the taste. Candy can be very sweet. 6, suite, like in a hotel. We're in suite 10 on the 10th floor of the hotel. Suite. 7, beet, like the root vegetable. I love to put beet on my salad. Beet. Number 8, beat, like in Diddy Dinah beat Wyzetta at the hockey game. Beat. Number 9, meet, as in nice to meet you. And 10, meat, as in some people love a good hamburger made with meat.